Hey everyone, let's talk about if you have any pets. I have a dog. He's a bloodhound. He's pretty goofy. He's about 4 or 5. He's just a lot of fun to hang out with. Let me know what kind of pets that you have. All right, so our warm up today is stuff that the cell organelles that we've already discussed. So, how to chloroplast support plant survival. Is it going to be A, B, C, or D? And then number 2, plants and animal cells utilize glucose to gain energy necessary for cellular processes. Which organelle found in both plants and animals allow energy to be extracted from glucose molecules? So if you answered D for number 1, you are correct. And if you said mitochondria for number 2, that is correct as well. Good job. All right, we're going to watch this video if it will load. My internet is super slow.
Thanks for stopping by. This is 2 Minute Classroom, and today we're talking about the differences between plant and animal cells. Plant and animal cells are remarkably similar, but there are 3 main differences I will discuss. Both plant and animal cells have mitochondria, but only plant cells have chloroplast. This is the organelle responsible for photosynthesis, and of course, animals don't perform photosynthesis. Most energy for life on the planet comes from the sun through photosynthesis in the chloroplast. Both plant cells and animal cells have vacuoles. These are used for storage in the cell. However, only plant cells have a large central vacuole that contains mostly water. It's this central vacuole that gives plants their stability and turgor. Lastly, we have the cell wall. While both plant and animal cells have cell membranes, only plant cells have a cell wall. This cell wall gives plant cells their shape and structure. However, the cell wall does not regulate inflow and outflow of molecules. That's still the job of the cell membrane. So now you know the main differences between plant and animal cells. Give this video a like and subscribe to 2 Minute Classroom for more.
All right, so that kind of covered what we did yesterday. But today we're going to talk about the ribosomes, the cytoplasm, and the Golgi apparatus in cells. All right, so the ribosomes make proteins. A lot of times you'll see them attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, which if you'll look to the left, it's that blue stuff coming off the nucleus. The red dots are the ribosomes. They can be free floating. They're not all attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, but a lot of them are. So for ribosomes, I like to think of ribeyes. They are both protein, and ribosomes are protein synthesis. They make proteins. The Golgi complex, it's also called Golgi apparatus. So if you see Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex anywhere on a CBA, you will know that it is the same. Okay, so they package proteins. It's sort of like the post office. Every time I think of the mail, I do think of the little Blue's Clues mail theme song. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that is found in a cell. It's almost like if you had a bowl full of Jell-O with fruit suspended inside the Jell-O, the cytoplasm would be like the Jell-O and the fruit would be like the organelles. It just kind of surrounds the organelles. We're going to see if this video will play. My internet is super slow at the house. So let's...
Cytoplasm is located between the nucleus and the cell membrane. The cytoskeleton present in the cytoplasm gives the cell its shape. The cytoplasm also has nutrients and salts, and it aids in dissolving some waste products. It helps move cellular materials and organelles around the cell through a process called cytoplasmic streaming. Here's an example of cytoplasmic streaming. Notice how the chloroplasts move in the euglena cells. In summary, the cytoplasm is a clear, jelly-like substance found in cells that contains nutrients and salts and helps give the cell its shape and helps the cell move materials about. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Moo Moo Math uploads a new math